Dear colleagues, dear friends, it is a great honour to address this forum today, the 4th International Forum of Journalists of Russia and Africa. I am Nicholas Frieshow. I work as a journalist and recently investigation lead at L'Express Mauritius. Our country, an island nation in the Indian Ocean, sits at the crossroads of Africa, Asia, and the wider world. I want to speak to you today about a transformation that is already underway in newsrooms across the African continent and beyond. It is a transformation driven not by ownership changes or political pressure, but by artificial intelligence tools that are now within reach of every working journalist, regardless of the size of their outlet. African journalists often work with limited resources, small editorial teams, heavy workloads, multiple languages in the field, long distances between the reporter and the source, and deadlines that do not move. In Mauritius, we cover a parliament where debates happen in English, French, and Creole, sometimes in the same sentence. We conduct interviews on location. We transcribe hours of audio. We verify, we write, we translate, we publish. This is not unique to Mauritius. It is the reality of journalism across much of Africa. The question is, can artificial intelligence help us do this work better, faster, and with greater accuracy, without compromising our integrity? My answer, based on daily experience, is yes. The first tool I want to highlight is TurboScribe. TurboScribe is an AI-powered transcription service. You upload an audio or video file, an interview, a press conference, a parliamentary session, and within minutes, you receive a full, readable transcript. For journalists working in multilingual environments, this is transformative. TurboScribe handles accents. It handles overlapping speech. It handles long recordings that would previously require hours of manual work. I have used it to transcribe parliamentary debates, field interviews, and official press briefings. The time saved is not marginal. It is substantial. Time that I can redirect toward analysis, verification, and writing. This matters especially in Africa, where journalists frequently cover communities that speak minority languages or regional dialects. Transcription tools reduce the barrier between the journalist and the story. The second tool I want to discuss is Claude, developed by Anthropic. Claude is a large language model, an AI assistant, but I want to describe it in practical terms, as a journalist would. Claude helps me structure complex articles. When I have a mass of notes, quotes, and data from a parliamentary session, Claude helps me identify the angle,